E noho. Check. Uni hea rite o te ngahere kai hea te ko mako e ko whakatairangitia. Rere ki uta, rere ki tai ki mai ki a hau hea hata me nui o te ao. Māku e ki atu he tangata, he tangata, he tangata. You might ask me what is the greatest gift in this world, and I will reply, it is people, it is people, it is people. Tuatahi me mihi atu rā ki ai ki te atu urunga rawa. E ho mai mea tono mana ki tanga aroha kei rungi a tātou kataia, ki te marea kei rungi te kaupapa o te wā nei. Hara mai ki reo te poho tō tātou nei whare e tū nei, ko tō tātou nei tūpana, ko te rauparaha hei karanga hei mihi atu ki a koutou. Hara mai me ki ngai tāua te iwi Māori, ko wai no whea mai te tai toke raupia, ki te tai rāwhiti, ki te puku te whenua, ki te tai hauru, whakawhiti atu ki te mano raukaua, me ki te waka o Māui, koutou rā, o ngai tahu, te waipaunamu, e mihi ana ki o koutou katoa. Ngā hau e whā, tēnā koutou haramai, tēnā koutou haramai, tēnā koutou katoa. Tai atu ki a mātu nei whanaunga tino tata o te moana nui ākiwa, ta lawhalawa, malolelei, nisa walawanaka, ki o rana katoa tō, talohani, namaste, konnichiwa, assalamu alaikum. Huri no, me ki a koutou rā, kei o kurangatira, kei runga te atamira, e mihi ana ki a koutou. Mihi ana ki a koutou me ki tamana e rua, i roto i tō tātou nei takiwā, ki tō mātou nei whanaunga tino tata ki te atiaua, a te iwi o te raukura, ki a Ngāti tō, e mihi nei ki a koutou katoa. Nau mai, hara mai, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
E te ti, e te tā, e ngā tauira, ko eke ki te whitireiatanga o ngā mahi, e mihi ana. Te iwi e pai nei, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. O te whatalofa atu i le pa ia malema malu o le awhia, tā alofa lava. Kia ora ana tātou katoa i te aro amata o te atua, tūrau a waiki, tūrau te moana nui a kiwa, greetings and welcome. Welcome to our official guests, Anita Baker, Mayor of Poriro City Council, representatives from Te Whatuora, St. John, Wellington Free Ambulance, Paramedic Council, Tai Amanino Trust, Pacific Perspectives, Whitireia Foundation, Dr. Te Taku Parai, Reverend Hueni Nuku, Reverend Falkland Whitireia, and additional special guests. My name is Timihari Lomemea, Pacific Advisor, Centre for Pacific Health and Social Practice, and it is my pleasure to guide you through the graduation ceremony today. I would like to share some housekeeping information before our official proceedings begin. In the unlikely event of an earthquake, please drop, cover and hold until safe to evacuate. In the event of any other emergency, please calmly exit the venue via the nearest emergency exit. Can we just take time right now to just have a look at where our exit points are? Just looking at the back. Assembly points are outside the building, and once you are out of the building, please await further instructions from staff. Should you need any assistance during the ceremony, please don't hesitate to ask the Te Rauparaha staff. During this session, photographs will be taken and captured by Capture Studios, and they will be available to download for free 4 weeks from about now. We have several photography opportunities for you today. Graduands. You will be photographed twice while you are here up on stage, so get your best pose on. Following the ceremony, we have photography stations set up in the small arena opposite for additional free pictures. This ceremony is being live streamed, so friends and whānau who are unable to join us can watch the graduation ceremony live. So just take note, you're all live right now. We ask that you remain with us in the arena for the duration of this ceremony this morning, and I ask that all your cell phones be either turned off or on silent. Also, outside the arena, for your patience and celebration, we have free Mr. Whippy ice cream. Can we give a big karakara? Save me a sherbet. Please note that Te Rauparaha Arena is a smoke-free venue. If you would like to vape, smoke, please go outside and away from the building. Thank you, and we hope that you get to enjoy today's ceremony. It is now my pleasure to introduce to you Mark Oldershaw, Executive Director, Whitireia and WelTec.
Ina mana, ina reo, ina iwi o tomotu, ina iwi no hou e wha, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Ina mana whenua Ngāti Toa ki te mihi tū mai rā. Talofa lava, malo ala lei. Kia orana, whakaalofa lahi atu. Taloha ni, whakatalofa atu, nisabuna manaka. Kia ora koutou. My name is Mark Oldershaw. I am the very proud today Executive Director of Whitireia and WelTec. It is my great privilege and honour to welcome you here today to this graduation, the first ceremony this year to celebrate the achievements of over 1,000 graduates. It's also my pleasure to firstly acknowledge Ngāti Toa for your guidance and patience, and to Te Kārangi o Potama for your performances earlier today. I'd also like to acknowledge our special guests on stage as well. Our guest speaker you'll hear from shortly, Lorraine Hetaraka, Mayor Anita Baker, members of the Pacific community and Pacific ministries, and many other key stakeholders. Education can be a truly life-changing experience, and seeing our graduates excited and ready for the future reflects what is possible for everyone. We recognise that no student gets through a whole course of study without support from friends and whānau. So I would like to formally welcome the family members and the friends of all our graduates. Many of you I know would have travelled long distances to be here today, and I know you'll be very proud of your special student. Kia ora to you all and welcome. My deepest and most sincere thanks goes to all of our staff. The staff here today and those that I know will be working back on our campuses but will be able to see most of the proceedings through the live stream. Thank you for everything that you have done to ensure our akonga stayed on course towards the bright futures I know they will have. Ngā mihi nui to you. But of course, today is primarily about celebrating akonga, the hard work and successes that you have all achieved, and a very, very warm welcome to you all. You're about to become graduates. The qualifications that we're awarding today come from Aotearoa New Zealand's largest education provider, Te Pukenga, New Zealand Institute of Skills and Technology. As you move forward, you will carry all that you have learned here at Whitireia and WelTec, along with the best wishes of the staff who supported you and the enduring friendships that you have forged. You are quite literally the future of our country. And in your time here, you've acquired the skills and knowledge Aotearoa New Zealand needs to prosper. I know you will take with you your determination, your resilience, your innovative thinking, and perhaps most importantly, your positive attitude into whatever work you have trained for. We believe in you and we encourage you to keep looking ahead. So what could be better than celebrating the successes of our akonga, your whānau, and of course the dedicated teaching, tutoring and mentoring that got you to this point. Today is your day. Graduation is a time when all of your efforts, all your trials and tribulations pay off as you receive your awards, your certificates, your diplomas, your degrees, or your postgraduate qualifications. Graduation is a milestone that acknowledges your hard work and commitment, and as I said earlier, education can be a truly life-changing experience. Seeing our graduates excited and ready for the future reflects what is possible for everyone. We know your next steps will bring credit to yourselves, to your families, and to the communities in which you live and work. As you put on your gown earlier today, as you walk across the stage shortly, as you receive your award, allow yourselves the luxury of really enjoying your achievement. And to your supporters, please show your pride and support and excitement, not only for your whānau, but for all of our wonderful learners. Graduates, you have made it. This is a great achievement. Enjoy it, savour it, share it with your friends and family. Today is your day, the future is yours. Mā te kimi te kite, mā te kete te mōhio, mā te mōhio ka marama. Seek and discover and know, and the world of light is yours to behold. From all of us, may I extend the warmest of congratulations and best wishes for your future. Mā te huru, te manu ka rerewe ai. Nō reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa. Kia ora.
Lorraine Hitaraka is the Chief Nurse of Te Pou Whakakaha, Clinical, Community and Mental Health at the Ministry of Health. Mana tū hauora in this role. Lorraine provides expert advice on nursing to the government and leads on nursing policy and strategy, provides professional leadership to the nursing profession in New Zealand, and ensures our country effectively contributes to nursing policy at an international level. It is now my pleasure to invite Lorraine Hitaraka to address you.
Kia ora koutou. He mihi nui kia koutou katoa, nāna nei ngā mea katoa. He mihi I te atua, tēnā koe, I te rangatira, tēnā koe. Ko waio. My name is Lorraine Hitaraka. I have whakapapa connections to the very far north in Ngāti Kahu, and also the Bay of Plenty, Ngāi Te Rangi, Ngāti Ranginui, and Rotorua through Ngāti Pikiao and Tapuika. I also have Pacific connections to the Cook Islands through my Nicholas whānau. I've been serving in the role of Chief Nurse for the Ministry of Health for over 4 years now and have served 4 ministers under 2 governments and 3 Director Generals. I am absolutely delighted to be here today with you all to celebrate this auspicious occasion, which honours our graduating students. I am so proud of you all. The commitment and dedication and at times sacrifices you have made to be able to graduate is a testament to the hard work each one of you have put in to become our future workforce. Congratulations. To the whānau, family and friends who are here today, I acknowledge you for the support you have provided and the valuable role you have played in ensuring that our students succeed. The love, nurturing and reassurance that comes from you all has been unwavering. We celebrate you today as well. I want to take this opportunity to thank the dedicated educators and lecturers here at Whitireia and WelTec Te Pukenga. They foster, grow and develop our students, ensuring the highest quality of education is maintained. I am grateful for the highly skilled work that you do every day. Thank you. So in this group of graduates, we have our future leaders and innovators who will no doubt positively contribute to improving the overall well-being of all New Zealanders, our future heroes amongst you. We wish you every success on your journey ahead, whichever pathway you choose. Graduates, enjoy today's well-deserved celebration with your family and friends. Today marks the day of your exciting, adventurous career. I conclude with this whakatauki by the very late Wharehui Milroy. Ko te whakaiti te whare o te whakaaro nui. Humility is the citadel of wisdom. Kia ora.
Thank you, Lorraine, and as a token of our appreciation, we will be gifting you a gift at the end of the ceremony. So thank you. Can we please give Lorraine one big round of applause? Are we ready? Okay. I hope you are. Before we invite Mark Oldershaw to the podium to formally present the qualifications, I would like to run through how the ceremony will take place. We will begin with welcoming Otago Polytechnic, Veterinary Nursing, and then move into awarding the Whitireia and WelTec School of Health and Wellbeing, Pacific Health and Social Practice, and Te Wānanga Māori programs. Jen Evans, Principal Lecturer from Otago Polytechnic School of Veterinary Nursing, will be invited to present to Otago Veterinary Nursing. Following this, Carmel Haggerty, Head of School for Health and Wellbeing, will be invited to present the Health and Wellbeing programs. Then Jean Mataira, Chief Advisor, Centre for Pacific Health and Social Practice, to present the Pacific Health and Social Practice programs. And Dr. Te Taku Parai, who would be presenting Te Wānanga Māori programs. I would like now to invite Mark Oldershaw to come forward to confer the degrees and award the diplomas and certificates, starting with Otago Veterinary Nursing. Thank you.
It is now my honour as Executive Director of Whitireia and WelTec to confer the degrees and award the diplomas and certificates to those who are about to be presented and to those listed in absentia.
Kia ora. I invite Jennifer Evans, Principal Lecturer, Otago Polytechnic School of Veterinary Nursing, to present the certificates. New Zealand Diploma in Veterinary Nursing, Hannah Ada Baker. Kira Grace Bayliss. Grace Jill Becker. Shana Bianaka. Lee Bexley. Lizelle Maria Cundy. Annabelle Rose Denham. Hannah Christine Evans. Danielle Caroline Fitness. Melissa Alexandra Hopkin. Alia Shante Horn. Catherine Louise Kennedy. Blair David McMillan Mockett. Eve Roper Caldbeck. Sarah Margaret Spinks. Holly Alexandra Taylor. Zoe Charlotte Todd. Courtney Renee Trigg. Amity Watts Jury. Charlotte Francis Weir. Tēnā koe, thank you, Jen. I invite Carmel Haggerty, Head of School for Health and Wellbeing, to present the certificates. New Zealand Diploma in Enrolled Nursing, Elisa Louise Bottomley. Bronwyn Margaret Dunlop. Cleo Nancy Emmanuel. Natasha Marie Gilmore. Laksha Stephanie Jayantika Gaunda. Laylo Hussein Hairi. Asha Ibrahim. Loki Yanka Gilman. Zenma Melke Kabedi. Gita Kell. Christina Kuliabina. Jennifer Rose Langerson. Ashika Reshman Nair. David Joseph Niu. Joseph Junior Niu. Paige Ngahina Georgia Grace Ormsby. Georgiani Ortega Ramirez. Shirley Ortega Ramirez. Stephanie Ortega Ramirez. Dalia Sabina Pereira. Anastasia Prokhorova. Olivia May Reese. Natalie Francis Taputu. Lorelei Grace Thompson. Mary Jo Maamu Tusitala. Mebret Weldemariam. Elizabeth Bronwyn Williams.
Bachelor of Nursing, Saxon Fa Chan Cam. Chelsea Amber Cameron. Ashley Eva Carson. Boyu Chu. Jean Sia Chu. Leona Rima Dunting Coral. Luca Brook Corsi. Mary Gabrielle Garcia Cruz. Campbell James Dean. Georgia Hope Deuce. Gabe Dunlop. Jessica Tony Marie Florence. Madison Elizabeth Fox. Jessa Ordilau Gala. Isha Gandhi. Isabel Jessica May Goodman. Madison Duncan Halliday. Annie Tatan Hanopol. Wendy Louise Hayward. Amelia Rose Hicks. Kakata Hom. Ryan Marshall David Hurley. Aisha Brianna Hyam. Molly Suzanne Johnson. Paige Briley Judd. Laurie Capel. Emily Rose Lake. Maddie Grace Lang. Eloise Lily Laws. Chiruwei Lu. Johann Bernard Nazareno Marbau III. Sneha Bhupendra Kumar Mysooria. Mary Estelle Balsita Malekdam. Lene Moritz. Lauren Beth Martino. Amy Elizabeth Rooney Morgan. Chevy Willow Morell. Grace Kitty Murphy. Kate Josette Ogilvie. Mason Chase Povi Opetaya. Kayla Jane Painter. Zirina Mai Soriano Pangilinan. Destiny Lawata Grace Patia. Jennifer Ponnier. Alec Gabriel Ponteas. Daisy Quach. Maria Cleophas Quimbo Lipana. Ritu Rana. Stacey Taylor Reidy. Cindy Johanna Rodriguez Peralta. Malin Chiangyi Roel. Rachel Angela Vinegas Rubite. Elaine Irene Schmidt. Sima. Arlene Rose Pinoti Smart. Kiara Carmel Spalacy. Catherine Michelle Isabella Spicer. Mandeep Kaur Saran. Lydia Joanne Stace. Sky Anna Stackpool. Jasmine Kathleen Sturmer. Yi Eun Serene Tan. Sophie Caroline Trench. Romy Van Herwood. Sonia Vincent. Madison Williams. Azamit Habdamariam Zerom.
Bachelor of Health Science, Paramedic, Camille Estelle Armstrong. Michaela Jane Donahue. Marie Sansia Joan Duncan. Noah James K. Earnshaw. Amanda Sarah Firma. Nicholas William Foster. Anthony Connor Fraser Leach. Folk Douglas Frisbee. Ashton James Gray. Benjamin Robert Hall. Logan Thomas Glover. Janae Christie Hall. Jacqueline Deanna Hamilton. Risha Shivani Hari. Alex Margaret Honeyman. Connor Paul Isaacs. Sandra Barbara Keating. Roshan Lee Kenny. Joe Vaughan Graham MacDonald. Olivia Agnes McQuillan. Zachary Kristen Azamoya. Jesse Allen Michael Morgan. Ashton Anesu Moyo. Chanel Olkers. Shannon Lily Palmer. Courtney Leanne Price. Morowena Louise Rickard. Cindy Dora Constance Ritchie. Hayley Robbie. Krista Lee Robbins. Tessa Alexandra Robbins. Damon Keith Salmons. Joanne Marie Sansom. Nikki Sowerby. Lisa Louise Sturgis. Danelle Marie Taft. Danielle Victoria Thiedem. Georgia Margaret Thompson. Jake Alexander Toe. Menandi von Ludwig. Isabel Louise Ward. Jacob David Weber. Charles Williams. Postgraduate Certificate in Nursing, Mahinarangi Iono. Patrick Sebastian Bartley. Whitney Jennifer Dick. Maya Mahinarangi Te Waira Hepera Douglas Baker. Glenn Esparagoza. Daly Elia Foasi. Gemma Faye Gordon. Jeremy Brian Hagland. Ella Marie Halfacre. Rosaline Huriana Ngahaka Heihei. Katerina Lefao Polo. Maata Paia he lotu mahuinga. Noel Joe Marion. Rose Vanessa Noval. Lucia Aroha Hunter Patterson. Anshuma Prasad. Monica Shawani Shukla Kel. Kalivati Tabaka. Stephanie Esther Liliulai Lalai Ti. Monica Bengal. Anup Vijayan. Piyumi Williams. Xiangyu Yu. Postgraduate Certificate in Primary Healthcare Specialty Nursing, Caroline Helen Braben. Kerry Ann Sarah Brunel. Carlene Ann Carter. Tara Jade Foster. Briar Gardner. Jessica Glover. Matatika Katabanan. Manmeet Kaur. Tuara Maraia ki Koro. Danielle Alexandra McCarty. Nonsi Kalelo Moyo. Michelle Tracy Patterson. Sarah Peya. Lisa Pearson. Elizabeth Purin. Maria Ann Scanlon. Stephanie Marissa Thomas. Carmel Vasati Mele Uilelia. Postgraduate Certificate in Specialty Care, Advanced Paramedic Practice, Vanessa Estelle Reddit.
Postgraduate Certificate in Specialty Care, Forensic Practice, Kelly Marie Brown. Sarah Jane Birdside. Deirdre Florence. Graham Alexis Holman. Arun Thomas Karatuwi Cho. Marion Anderson Caressa. Suzanne Jo Painga. Emma Jane Smenioto. Postgraduate Certificate in Specialty Care, Gerontology, Shivani Dial. Remia Sanjo. Sina Wargis. Postgraduate Certificate in Specialty Care, Pacific Health Leadership, Daphne Missinale. Rainbow Demetrius Jasmine Simeki. Lesa Tialata Tangwai. Danielle Tangimetua. Meliame Tolisi Tuatavuki. Sonia Tutuila. Postgraduate Certificate in Specialty Care, Paramedic Community Care, Jenna Patricia Lowe Pascoe. Postgraduate Certificate in Specialty Care, Perioperative Nursing, C.G. Maria Jose. Postgraduate Diploma in Specialty Care, Pacific Health and Nursing, Dadiseva Tutu Barani Savu. Lewa Vuki Vuki Vulori Daunibau. Jenny Hewitt. Marita Louise Hodgson. Shivashni Narayam. Akariva Ravula Ravetti. Matangaro 5. Simeone Vonovono Tangi Vakibau. Miliama Tapusua. Postgraduate Diploma in Specialty Care, Paramedicine. Also awarded the Postgraduate Certificate in Specialty Care, Paramedic Community Care, Brooke Tamara Collis. Also awarded the Postgraduate Certificate in Specialty Care, Advanced Paramedic Practice, Gary John McMillan. Master of Professional Practice, Leadership, Fran Marie Bettridge. Thank you, Carmel. I invite Jean Mitaira, Chief Advisor, Pacific Health and Social Practice, to present the certificates. Bachelor of Nursing Pacific, Anmol Singh. Amelia Taria Burns. Temu Lisa Collins. Celia Faletau. Marie Sifalama Hakianga Iki. Ofa Hinano. Aisha Hussein. Viane Teau Kelebete. Evangeline Atienza Manu Laiatia. Marilyn Fiona Magoon. Anne Meaty. Melania Meaty. Madison Ngawiki Tolofini Moko. Saini Malika Goli Tambua Momoi Valu. Sanjina Sumita Prakesh. Paulina Maria Asupesio Senor. La Sela Sipulona. Na Wong Namdu Sherpa. Josie Katarina Sitangata. Leativa o Salafai Naomi Tuaau. Suani Tumanga Nalu. Gracia Angeline Quinea Yogobi. Graduate Diploma in Nursing Pacific, Lillian Afele. Fafau Aufia Ovele. Ani Langiava Apati. Tupou Hangana. Vasiti Sela He. Ipe Nuesia I Moa Alani. Satelene Kalapu. Whiwhianga Palota Katalake. Daphne Mahoney. Melaia Duaripi Modewai. Sureti Navudhudu. Meli Katoanga Paunga. Helene Pelisipa Filitonga Pau. Mareta Peseta Simanu. Ruth Shirlene Peters. Ari Mai Seriana Tolani Rambukawanga. Veikoro Wati Saravaki. Juvena Tufaina Savau. Georgina Silinga. Talalio Taape. Temo Lily Talinga. Dekapoi Dekaki. Deba Solsi. Vio Papa Kaisarina Tungana Sulusulu. Saloti Lemba, Salayawa ki Savu Tuivakanu. Erana Tuneti. Salote Panisia Tuangafasi. Feao Moe Ngalo Vaimohea. Roa, saini mere, Whakautelale. Kalisi Wati Vunivalu. New Zealand Diploma in Youth Work. Danielle Kelly Mansell. Mira Rose Morrison. David Bradley Roach. Testa Mariah Tanoa. tangi moana te moana nui. Sharon Bernadette Karanatete Tibe Scrimshaw.
Bachelor of Counselling and Addiction Practice, Michelle Elizabeth Allen. Sophie Mia Tui Bevan. Aroha Bishop. Natalie Jane Bold. Anya Claudia Jean Bradley. Meredith Bridge. Paul Morgan Braun. Bridget Joy Cameron. Victor Du. Atalili Fa'i. Lou Green Winters. Megan Jane Henderson. Charlotte Dawn Howell. Luciana Howell Krez. Pippa King. Nicole Marie Lent. Liam Artie Jacob Matthews. Natasha Emily Miller Delator. Stephanie Marie Morris. Orla Catherine Joy O'Connell. Jennifer Lynn Purvis. Radhika Ravi. Tessa Rodrigo. Virginia Murray Saunderson. Canon Ray Temaipi. Ewan James Bruce Townsland Drews. Joanna Whisker. Frances Jessica Woods. Hannah Wycliffe. Bachelor of Social Work, Reuben Michael Douglas Dickinson. Beverly Dawn Floors. Emma Koro. Hazel Sandra Lucy Matheson. Keisha McKinnon. Te Hari May. Cassandra Grace Merrilees. Kylie Moya Ahu. Alexander John Norden. Jamie Marie Shayla. Shilpa Shivani. Grace Allison Alinard Stone. Hayley Damaris Tamaka. Luti Tapu. Autumn Tawhaiti. Mata Tuitama. Hannah Jacoba Turner.
I invite Dr. Taku Parai to present Te Wānanga Māori certificates. Bachelor of Nursing Māori, Sophie Ariana Becker. Maya Mary Tuahiahi Chesma. Anaka Margaret Hainga Melvin. Rangikahiwa Lena Edna Haitana. Amber Joanne Hakeke. Nathan James Hohipa Hodge. Madison Selena Hooper Kuiti. Puke manu Joanna Marie Te Rauparaha ka hui. Aroha Rangituia Eva Kingi. Eve Marcia Larkins. Monique Ray Couples Milner. Trizelle Jakana Lee Moses Wharepapa. Fiona Louise Munro. Ali Paramore. Ngā rangi kapiti au Riddell. Cheyenne Hira Tawera. Wairere Atahua Thomas Langbine. Shayna Patrice Tiatia. Deni Hinirangi Tipeni. Lucky last, Alessandra Rose Dolo.
Congratulations. Congratulations to all Otago Polytechnic Veterinary Nursing and School of Health and Wellbeing, Pacific Health and Social Practice, and Te Wānanga Māori graduates. And thank you, Mark Oldershaw, for awarding the qualifications. Can we give all of these beautiful graduates a big round of applause? It is now my pleasure to invite Wendy Louise Hayward, Bachelor of Nursing, to come forward to speak on behalf of all graduates. Thank you.
I'm a wee bit nervous. Nau mai, haere mai, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. Welcome, hello to you all. My name is Wendy Hayward, and I'm a graduate of the Bachelor of Nursing programme. And I'm honoured and humbled to address you on behalf of the students graduating from Whitireia and WelTec today. When I was asked to do this speech, my nerves got the better of me. My mind went into autopilot, and I did what we've all been doing these past years. I researched the topic. I Googled graduation speeches, and I watched some on YouTube, and even read articles on how best to structure a graduation speech. I even wondered if I should include a list of references. Yet with all this information at my fingertips, I was still staring at an empty Word document. So I went back to basics and thought that graduation ceremonies are designed to mark the end of one phase of our lives and the beginning of the next. So let us take a second and look back at where our journeys began and give thanks. Do you remember the day that you walked into that first class at Whitireia or WelTec? Innocent individuals, blissfully ignorant of all the trials and tribulations of what was to come. As the semesters passed, we found our circle of friends. Together we stressed over deadlines and used coffee or Red Bull as a substitute for sleep. We came to understand that APA referencing is a necessary evil, and that devouring a large block of chocolate or a bucket of hot chips is a necessary coping mechanism. By eating, studying, commiserating, and celebrating together, we built strong bonds. We shared our hopes and our fears, and offered each other a tissue or a hug when needed. We leave not as individuals, but friends and colleagues. Yet we must remember that no one succeeds without the help of others, and we need to thank those who have supported us and those who are with us today. I am sure that most of the audience gathered here are family, friends and loved ones. Thank you all for putting up with lots of crying, complaining and frequent periods of hysteria and delirium. Thank you for your unwavering support. You've been our rock, our cheerleaders, the ones who have believed in us even when we have doubted ourselves. Your sacrifices, love and encouragement have brought us to this moment, and we shall be eternally grateful. I would like to pause just here for a moment and remember that several of our classmates have experienced the loss of a loved one during the past 3 years. And I would like to take this opportunity to remember them and all those loved ones who have passed before. I believe that they are here in spirit, smiling down upon us, sharing this moment with us all. Also beside us today are our tutors, a team of highly educated and dedicated teachers who've encouraged us and motivated us to learn, even on the days when we did not want to. Thank you for putting up with the absurd questions, the late arrivals, missed deadlines, and repeated requests for help. You have picked us up, dried our tears, and provided many hours of reassurance. I believe I speak for many of us when I say that the teaching team is in a class of its own. Many of you have taken the time to build a relationship with us that for some of us will last a lifetime, and we thank you. Now, it may only have been a short time since passing our degree, but have you noticed how people now come to you with lots of aches and pains, asking you for a diagnosis? Have you found yourself washing your hands for a minute in the public toilets and turning off the taps with your elbows? Or have you been watching a film or a TV programme where an injured person is being cared for and you think, that would never happen in real life? Well, things have changed now, haven't they? We stepped onto this stage as student, but leave as a graduate, cheered on by our friends, family, and all the teaching team at Whitireia and WelTec. All of us will use our accumulated knowledge in one form or another during the next step of our careers. Some of us will become nurses, paramedics, social workers, youth workers, counsellors, or work with those living with an addiction. We are all hoping to be professionals working directly or indirectly with people in our community. In our line of work, children and adults shall come to us to be nursed, counselled, guided, supported, and understood. We shall be entrusted with their weaknesses, their vulnerabilities, and their ills. It is humbling and yet overwhelming to know that we have the ability to make such a positive difference in someone's life. I am proud, I think we all are, to be part of professions that hold compassion, caring, and healing as 3 of our central ideals. As I look out at you all today, I see a band of courageous, ambitious, funny, caring, and dedicated people. Alongside the coursework, presentations, assessments, and exams, many of you have had children to care for, whānau who have needed your support, or a sick relative that has needed your care, as you pay the bills and juggle full or part-time jobs. This is nothing short of heroic, and I hope you feel full of pride for the late nights, sacrifice, dedication, and commitment that have led to this moment, your graduation and your success. It is time now to leave Whitireia and WelTec, and although we are going to say goodbye to our dearest classmates, lecturers, and our poly life, don't be afraid of new beginnings. With persistence and courage, let us embrace new challenges, achieve greater success, and make a positive difference to those people in our community. To all the students of Whitireia and WelTec who are graduating here today, congratulations. Kei o ringa ringa te ao, the world is yours. Mate wa. See you later, more than likely soon, I hope. Thank you.
It was beautifully written, eh? So take a pause while we take a moment to say thank you. We've got a token here, it's a little gift, a pounamu that has been blessed by Ngāti Toa. Can we give Wendy a big round of applause? And can we also thank Lorraine Hitiraka also for being our guest speaker. You did it! Woohoo! We did it! We celebrated over 300,000 graduates today. And now I'm going to ask all the 300,000 that are sitting in the audience to take this moment to stand up, please, and take a bow. So everyone on the live, can we say thank you? And you have now got some strict instructions that are coming from me before I end this. So this will be the last command, and then you can go on your way. We've got ice cream at the end, so we can just say thank you, and you can have a seat now. But the instructions are that there are opportunities for you to take photos. So just in the next stadium, you can take that opportunity to take your photos with Capture Studios. But I have an instruction also for our Pacific graduates. Can you please stay on this side for a moment with us after the procession? Thank you for joining us today. Thank you once again to our guest speakers, Mark Oldershaw, our student speaker, Wendy Louise Hayward, Lorraine Hitiraka, Chris Norton and Leisha Williams, for all 300,000 names called out today. Actually, 359 today. Our thanks also to Ngāti Toa for their significant contribution to the ceremony, and Te Kairangi o Pautamaropu for their wonderful performance. Thank you also to all kaimahi and kaiako who have guided and supported our konga to enable them to graduate today, and special congratulations once again to today's graduates. A big thank you to our marshals and volunteer helpers. As pre-mentioned, we do have those photography opportunities. Regalia must be returned today in the small stadium. If you have other plans, make sure you sort that out. And of course, free ice cream. I now declare this ceremony to be concluded, and I invite Dr. Te Taku Parai back to the stage to close the ceremony. At the conclusion of the closing karakia, please stand and remain standing until the official party, kaimahi and graduates have left the room. Thank you.
Can I get you all, please, students, to stand? This is your karakia. Unanga i tāwhito te rangi e tui honei he ngānari hi ngāna taua. Ue nuku ue rangi. Maranga mai rā kia mau rā tuki nui te tuki roa te tuki wāhi e he whanetu au ka te rangi e tū nei. Ko inga kua mate kia papa tūnuku e tū nei. Whāno hara mai te toki. Haumi e, hui e. Kia ora. Follow.
Ready for a jump? Oh, here it is. Well done.